at the university at night. Everything is really dark. And today we are going to talk about exactly that. This is Monterey. Welcome to your Cosmic Kingdom. Why the sky is dark at night is called Olbers Paradox. And it was stated by Olber in the 18th century. He thought that if the universe is infinite and full of stars, it should be full of light. Think about it. Think about an immense space full of sources of light. Obviously, it should be full of light either. So why is the sky dark? To find an explanation for that, we need to go further, like 100, 150 years on. And then we have to make use of two effects. First, the expansion of the universe. Right now we know that the universe is expanding, and because it's expanding, sources of light tend to be further and further away. That means that the intensity of the light from stars that are far away will take more time to reach us. The second one is redshift. Redshift is the same physical effect that causes the sound of an ambulance to change when it's approaching to us and with respect to when it's leaving us, when it's moving away from us. The light of the things that are moving away from us tend to be redshifted, tends to be moving towards the red spectrum or towards the longer wavelength part of the spectrum. That means that galaxies or stars that are very far away, and therefore because of the Hubble expansion they are moving very fast away from us, that light is going to be highly redshifted. That is going to be moved towards longer wavelengths. That is really cool because, for instance, sometimes we can observe visible light from that galaxies in the radio spectrum. So we can use like big radio antennas like a receiver to observe that wavelength. But that also means that in the end, light from very far away galaxies is going to be practically undetectable. And that is the explanation why it is dark at night. So first, because the universe is expanding, and second, because the light tends to be redshifted. And that's all for today. I hope you like this episode, and see you guys next week. Bye-bye.